What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to connect a custom domain name to your Canva website. Yes, you heard that right. Canva, the website that is famous for creating pretty much any design like posters, flyers, logos and so much more, can be used also to create fully functional websites. And you can also make the website yours by connecting your custom domain name that you purchased from custom domain name providers. For this video, I'll be using the domain name purchased on domain.com. I'll show you how to connect it. However, the process is pretty much the same on any domain name provider such as Namecheap, GoDaddy, Hostinger, and others. So I'll pretty much here in this video show you how to quickly create a new website from a template and then connect a custom domain name to this website. So let's get right to it. First of all, one thing to keep in mind is that in order to add a custom domain name or to publish your website under a custom domain name, you'll need to be subscribed to the Pro plan on Canva. So the free plan, you'll not be able to do so. So as you can see here, I'm on the my Canva homepage, and I'm signed into the Pro plan, as you can see. Now, all you need to do is to go to search here and type in website to browse the website templates. And you have many website templates. You can view them and choose one that is best suited for your business type. So let's say I like this one, for example. You can click on it and here scroll down to view the different sections and view the similar designs. And if you choose to edit this design, you want to edit it, click on customize this template, and it'll open up in the editor in a new tab. And that's the well-known Canva editor where you can add elements, text, upload photos, edit pretty much anything. So I can click on the text, highlight it to edit it, or add a link. I can edit the font, the size, the color, the style and alignment, and so much more. And I can move things around, I can rotate things, and so much more. If I click on the background here, I have a photo. I can edit the image, I can crop it, I can flip it, I can animate it, I can edit the transparency to make it more or less transparent, and I can edit the background color as well. I can do so with any elements, I can do so with shapes as well. So I can edit the color, edit the borders, and so much more. Let's make the color, for example, this color. I can also add the elements. So if I search, for example, for tree, I can add graphics, photos of trees, videos. I can add photo frames shaped like trees, and so much more. So if I add this one, I can rotate it, move it around. I can edit the color profile. I can edit the border style, add a border and a corner rounding for the border, and so much more. So here, as you can see, I pretty much have all the flexibility and all the powerful designing tools and elements that are within Canva. So here I'll show you pretty quickly how to connect a domain name. First, once you are happy with all your changes and your website looks the way you want, you can click here to preview it on preview. So it'll open up in a new tab and it'll show you how it'll look like in a browser window on your computer. You can scroll down. You can click on the menu items like home, about us, testimonials, services, and it'll lead you to the specific section. And you can view how it'll look like on a mobile phone as well, scrolling and viewing the menu and stuff like that. And once you are happy with how it'll look like, just close this preview. You can click here to publish your website. Here you have three options to publish it to. You can have a free domain that is like a random domain name generated by Canva. It won't be specific, however, it will be free. So if you want to, you can purchase a new domain right within Canva. So that's a good option if you haven't purchased a domain name or if you don't have a domain name ready. Or in this case, in this case of this video, use my existing domain. I'll show you how to connect the domain name that I purchased from domain.com. But as I told you, on any other domain name provider, it's pretty much the same, and Canva will give you specific instructions on how to do it. So make sure you choose use my existing domain, click on continue, and then here you can connect a domain name. So here I have a domain that is connected to another website on Canva, or I can add another domain. So if I click on add another domain, you won't see these two options if it is your first time adding a domain or trying to publish a website and adding a domain name too. You'll only see this one. So let's go to domain.com, and here I'm on the domains page, and this is the domain that I purchased, that howtosimple.space. Just copy it and then go back to Canva, paste it right here, click on continue, and then all you need to do is to add DNS records. I need to add one TXT record and two A-name records to my DNS settings in the domain.com page. So if I go to domain.com and then here go on the left to DNS and name servers, and here I go to DNS records, and here I have a few records that are added by default. I here need to click on add new DNS record. Now make sure you choose the name right. So a TXT record, sorry, the type is TXT record. So select the type, TXT, and then the name, copy it, and then paste it in the name right here. Now go back to Canva, value or points to, copy it. It might, the title may vary depending on the domain name provider. So it might say name, host, or alias, and the value might say value or points to, or in this case might say content. So click on content, paste it, and the TTL or time to live, leave it as it is. Click on add DNS. Okay, it logged me out for some reason. It does so sometimes. So all you need to do now is log in back. So I'll log back in and continue showing you the process. So I did log back in and go to DNS records page again. And I'll need to add the DNS records once again. So click on the plus icon here. That is a TXT type. Copy the name and then paste it here, and then go back, copy the value, paste it here, click on add DNS. Okay, and sometimes this error message just pops up. This happens if you did change the name servers earlier to try to connect this domain name to another website or a website builder. However, you just need to go to name servers and click on restore default. I did restore the defaults. However, it might take up to 24 or 48 hours even to fully update them. And once it's updated, you can go back to DNS records and just add the TXT record as I showed you. And if you find that it's says that it's there is another record here that is conflicts with the one that you are trying to add, make sure you find any other records that are existing with the same name and delete them. Click on the three dots here to delete them, and then add the record once again. And once you add the TXT record, click on TXT record added, and then add the two A records with the same method. Copy the name and then the value. And once you are finished with everything, just click on connect domain, and you can you get some minor settings to adjust, and then you'll be ready to connect your domain name to the Canva website. So that's pretty much it. That's how to connect your Canva website to a custom domain name.